If you are at all wanting to travel and you don't want to spend much money on food, come to Morocco because it is just so good.
How you going, folks? If you've watched our videos before, you probably know that Jake and myself
Love food.
we're pretty crazy.
Before you even get the menu, they bring you entrees.
The aromas are just tantalising.
And it was honestly just remarkable.
I feel like I'm a robber. I'm just robbing them of their money.
We're constantly saying this is our new favourite.
Beers are great, the nuts are great, the weather's great, we're great, life's great.
This Europe trip and a bit of Africa has been just amazing in that regard.
We just love meals like this. It's just fresh.
We have decided to try and put together something a little different, which revolves around food. We're currently in Essaouira, which is a coastal town in West Morocco, known for its seafood, but also plenty of other dishes. And we've come across a lot of vegetarian, falafels, tagines, couscous dishes. We're gonna show you a couple of places around the neighbourhood and the dishes that they serve up.
Yum.
Cheers.
We are currently outside this little restaurant right here, owned by a man that we like to call Chef Couscous. And he specialises in tagines and couscous varieties. We stumbled across this place thanks to a French couple we met the other day. They recommended it because of the very low prices. 30 dirham per meal, which is around €3, which is ridiculous. Let's feast.
Which couscous do you have today?
Yeah, couscous, chicken.
Chicken?
Yeah, really.
One couscous chicken, please.
Yeah, welcome.
Every Moroccan meal comes with fresh bread.
Yeah.
It's like a big fluffy focaccia. We know who loves those. How excited are we out of 10?
15.3. I love it. He's just watching TV while he cooks. That's how I would do. That's really good.
Would you have to look at that? Not the most luxurious presentation, but this couscous. Oh yeah, look at that on top. Now it is the most luxurious presentation. Look at that sauce.
That's about it. Just bloody good.
This is the best couscous in Essaouira. Bon appetit.
Shukran.
Shukran.
Thank you very much.
Merci beaucoup.
Merci à vous.
So good.
Shukran. See you.
Salut.
Salut.
Inshallah, see you next time.
Bye bye.
How's that, mate?
Oh,
Full belly?
dinner time.
It's dinner time. We are at a little square, probably about 2-minute walk from our Airbnb. We came here on our first day for lunch, just down there. It was beautiful, lovely man. We might head there tomorrow, but we did get recommended here by the French couple that I mentioned earlier. We ordered a vegetarian tagine and a kefta tagine. Both traditional dishes, both amazing. I've had the kefta a couple times and it's just comes out bubbling. Both of these cost 30 dirham, which is €3 each.
We start with garlic and onion.
The onion with tomato sauce.
Bon appetit, Jimbo.
Let's go, mate.
Bit hot. It's very fresh.
Puss in Boots over here and myself think that was a bloody great meal.
Also very satisfied. That was my first vegetarian tagine. I don't think it was freshly made like Jimbo's, but still so wholesome. Very good.
Have a good night.
Shukran. Bye bye. We are checking out the seafood markets for the lunchtime in Essaouira. They're right next to the port. There's about 30 little stalls. It's quite busy at lunchtime. Lunchtime when all the action happens. We've just ordered by weight, so you basically choose from crayfish, fish, prawns, sardines, and a few different types of fish. How much you want, they weigh it. It ends up being a little pricier than other eats in Essaouira and Morocco.
I might just go to the calamari.
It's lunchtime. We've just had probably the most average meal in Morocco. We're both a little disappointed. I guess it shows you guys that when we do have good meals, those are natural reactions. Turns out this is a bit of a tourist trap, this square here. You can get seafood just as good on the side streets, just as fresh, and about a quarter of the price. We're both feeling a little guilty for breaking the streak of amazing cheap meals, but we'll be back this evening for a tagine, a couscous, or maybe some falafel. Show us the menu. What are we in store for?
We got 2 plate falafels. So we came here the other day and it was that good. We thought the finale of Morocco would be here. And some olives, and some soup, and some bread.
Safe to say we're going to be fairly satisfied.
You'd hope so.
Oh my goodness. Falafel plates 1, Jake and Jacob 0. Value here compared to the lunch we got earlier. It's just simple.
How much was each of those dishes? What, 35 dirham?
35. You can go a little bit cheaper if you get a wrap or a pita, but the plates are amazing because the serving is huge and you get a bit of everything. You get the rice and you get the tomato salsa underneath the falafel. 4 falafel balls, nice sauce. So you're not going to find it hard getting your dose of falafel or in Morocco. Bon appetit and thanks for watching.